Where are common ulcer locations in the body? Have you ever wondered where ulcers can form in the body? Let's explore the common locations of ulcers, especially focusing on peptic ulcers. Peptic ulcers are primarily found in two main areas: the stomach and the upper part of the small intestine, specifically the duodenum. These ulcers are open sores that develop on the inner lining of these organs. The stomach and duodenum are where gastric acids and digestive enzymes are most active, making them susceptible to damage. When an ulcer forms in the stomach lining, it is referred to as a gastric ulcer. On the other hand, if it occurs in the duodenum, it is called a duodenal ulcer. These two types are the most common forms of peptic ulcers. Now, while peptic ulcers mainly occur in the stomach and duodenum, they can also develop in other parts of the gastrointestinal tract, though this is less common. Such occurrences usually happen when those areas are exposed to stomach acid in abnormal ways. The stomach and duodenum are particularly vulnerable because they are directly exposed to acidic digestive juices. If the protective mechanisms of these areas fail, ulcers can form. It is also important to differentiate between peptic ulcers and pressure ulcers, which are caused by prolonged pressure on the skin. Pressure ulcers, also known as bedsores, typically occur over bony areas of the body. Common locations for pressure ulcers include the heels, ankles, buttocks, shoulders, and the back of the head. These ulcers arise when sustained pressure reduces blood flow to the skin and underlying tissues, leading to tissue damage. In summary, the most common locations for peptic ulcers are the stomach lining and the duodenum. Understanding these locations is crucial for diagnosing and treating ulcers effectively. Symptoms of peptic ulcers often include a burning or gnawing pain in the upper abdomen. In contrast, managing pressure ulcers requires a focus on relieving pressure and maintaining skin integrity. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options.